Hey YouTuber, this is Rach. I am here to show you. Hey future YouTube star, this is Rach. I wanted to show you what the membership area looks like that you would get for $10, the training. So once you purchase for $10, you will create an account and this is the membership area. It will take you to download your bonuses. So you'd get your one bonus here, the proven formula for converting ads on YouTube. And then I threw in an extra bonus because everybody needs a checklist, right? So just go down the checklist, make sure you got everything right, and you're good to go. Then here is the organic traffic. So creating your YouTube account is a video, setting up your channel, another video, filming your first video gives you breakdown, etc., all the tips, how to optimize your video posting schedule, what's best, and a little extra partner with Anthony affiliate business if you want to make some extra money on the side, gives you something to make a YouTube video about and make affiliate commission. So there's a little video in there. And here is the paid traffic. My master video ad formula paid over $20,000 to be trained in this, and this is the breakdown of it. And here is AdWords versus stream ads versus keyword ads, how to create the ads, and understanding all your results, how to figure out the campaign costs, etc. So this is the breakdown of what's in the membership area, and it's for only $10. You can't beat that training because can you imagine for $10 you take the training and then you turn around and you start creating a YouTube channel and the next thing you know you're making $10 million? That's the best $10 investment you ever made in your life. So I look very forward to seeing you in the membership area. If you have any questions, please reach out. You can ask me questions. My information will be on the page for you. You can text me and I'll be able to answer any questions you have. So see you on the inside. Bye.